Anybody can be a computer guy, not everybody can be an automations engineer. I graduated in IT. I was convinced that I would be working on computers each and every day. I would be, doing servers or network management, and we tinker with some of that here today, but I entered here as an automations engineer, which, 2 years later put me into a facilities engineer role. It's everything from starting and stopping the line, counting how many boards you're making. It even ties into quality. Literally every facet of the operation revolves around automation. Just because your degree says X doesn't mean you have to be tied to X. I can tell you what we don't have. We don't have a manufacturing engineer here, right? They don't exist. So in manufacturing, you have to be multifaceted. We have teachers, we have people from the medical industry, we have IT professionals. We have a little bit of everything, and you mix some mechanical people in there, and it's an eclectic group that really, when they're put together, especially the group we have in Moundsville right now, can do anything.